Let us venture Unit 3 Indus Civilization. Learning objectives. To learn how Indus civilization is related to other contemporary civilizations. To understand the urban nature of the Indus civilization. To know the lifestyle of the people of this civilization. To identify and study the major sites of Indus civilization. To mark their geographical location in maps. Initially, people lived in groups. Then they formed communities out of these groups. Then evolved the societies which in due course become civilization. Why did people settle near rivers? People prefer to settle near the rivers for the reasons given below. The soil is fertile. Fresh water is available for drinking, watering livestock, and irrigation. Easy movement of people and goods is possible. Discovery of a lost city, Harappa. The ruins of Harappa were first described by the British East India Company soldier and explorer Charles Mason in his book. When he visited the northwest frontier province, which is now in Pakistan, he came across some mysterious brick mounds. He wrote that he saw a ruined brick castle with very high walls and towers built on a hill. This was the earliest historical record of the existence of Harappa. In 1856, when engineers laid a railway line connecting Lahore to Karachi, they discovered more burnt bricks. Without understanding their significance, they used the bricks for laying the railroads. In the 1920s, archaeologists began to excavate the cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They unearthed the remains of these long forgotten cities. In 1924, the Director General of ASI, Sir John Marshall, found many common features between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. He concluded that they were part of large civilization. Some slight differences are found in the earthenwares of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. This made the researchers conclude that Harappa was older than Mohenjo-daro. The Archaeological Survey of India (ASI) was started in 1861 with Alexander Cunningham as surveyor. Its headquarters is located in New Delhi. How do archaeologists explore a lost city? Archaeologists study the physical objects such as bricks, stones, or bits of broken pottery, shards, to ascertain the location of the city and time that it belonged to. They search the ancient literary sources for references about the place. They look at aerial photographs of the excavation sites or cities to understand the topography. To see under the ground, they make use of a magnetic scanner. The presence and absence of archaeological remains can be detected by radar and remote sensing methods. Sites in Indian borders. Archaeologists found major Harappan sites within Indian borders. Time span of Indus civilization. Geographical range: South Asia. Period: Bronze Age. Time: 3300 to 1900 BCE. That is determined using the radiocarbon dating method. Area: 13 lakh square kilometer. Cities: 6 big cities. Villages: more than 200. Urban civilization. Harappan civilization is said to be urban because of the following reasons: well-conceived town planning, astonishing masonry and architecture, priority for hygiene and public health, standardized weights and measures, solid agricultural and artisanal base. Unique features of Harappan civilization. Town planning is a unique feature of the Indus civilization. The Harappan city had 2 planned areas. The 2 planned areas of Harappa Upper Town. The part of the city to the west was higher and it was called Citadel. It was used by the administrators. The Great Bath and granaries were located. Lower Town. The part of the city to the east was lower but larger. It was inhabited by common people.